Love Island star Olivia Attwood would love to present the new series of the ITV2 dating competition. Laura Whitmore took over from Caroline Flack in 2020 but recently announced she decided to step down as presenter after 3 seasons. The 37-year-old announced the news on Instagram on Monday evening, just days after detailing about how she was struggling with the backlash she faced from fans in the most recent series. Following her exit, fans have been suggesting replacements for Laura, with many messaging former contestant Olivia to ask her to host. Olivia shared a screenshot of all the message requests she received, which were mostly about the presenting slot. "We need you to replace Laura for Love Island," one said, while another wrote, "Petition for Olivia Attwood to be the next Love Island host." The star was shocked at receiving so many messages. "You guys, my heart dropped when I opened my DMs this I was like 500 plus requests deep," she wrote. "Love Love Island and you. Love you." Laura shared a statement when she quit her role as host, with the star telling Caroline that she hopes she did her proud. She said, "Some news. I won't be hosting the next series of Love Island. There are certain elements of the show I've found very difficult that cannot be changed, some due to the format, including the flying back and forth to South Africa along with my new conflicting projects. Get all the biggest showbiz news straight to your inbox. Sign up for the free Mirror Showbiz newsletter. I wish it was still possible, but know you'll be in safe hands. I was only planning to fill in for Caroline for a series and it turned into 3 series. I hope I did you proud, Caroline." Many fans have been posting on social media about who they want as the host for next season. Some wanted this season's winner, Ekansu Kulkuloglu, to take over. One fan wrote, "Ekansu, it's your time, baby," as another chimed, "Who's starting the petition to have Ekansu replace the Whitmore?" Another name in the mix was fellow Love Island alum Maura Higgins as well as radio DJ Maya Jama. Love Island fans speculated that AJ Adudu could also be another presenter in the running for the gig. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct at 0207 29 33 033.